Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete apps on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is you want to swipe through the app screen, locate the application you want to delete, press and hold it, then locate and click on remove app. Then from the pop, locate and click on delete app. Once you click on that, are you sure you want to delete this particular application? Go ahead and click on delete, and that is it. So that's one of the ways you can use to delete an app on iPhone. Alternatively, you can also delete any application via your iPhone settings. So go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on general, scroll down, locate and click on iPhone storage, then hang on, scroll down the iPhone storage and click on show all. Like this, you have access to all the application you have installed on your iPhone. So for you to delete any of the applications, all you simply need to do is scroll down to the application you want to delete, click on it, click on delete app, and then click on delete from the pop, and that is it. So that is basically how to delete app and its data on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.